Hello, and welcome to Shrewsbury. Today, we're going to take a full walking tour through the center of this fascinating and historic town. Shrewsbury is a town where history is around almost every corner. As we walk through the center, we'll discover medieval streets, historic buildings, traditional shops, busy squares, old market areas, and some beautiful views along the River Severn. The town has a unique character, with narrow streets and passages that reveal something new as you explore them. There's a wonderful mix of old and new here, from centuries-old timber-framed buildings to modern cafes, restaurants, and independent businesses. So, make yourself comfortable, put on your walking shoes, and let's explore Shrewsbury Town Centre together. Let's begin our walk. As we make our way into the center of Shrewsbury, one of the first things you'll notice is the historic atmosphere of the town. Shrewsbury has a long and fascinating history, and its location on a loop of the River Severn helped make it an important settlement for centuries. The town developed around its castle and historic religious foundations, and over time it became an important center for trade and commerce. Today, the historic character of Shrewsbury is still very much alive. Look around as we walk, and you'll see buildings from different periods standing alongside one another. Some streets feel open and spacious, while others suddenly become narrow and winding. These changes in the streetscape are part of what makes Shrewsbury such an interesting place to explore on foot. And, of course, the best way to experience the town is exactly what we're doing now, walking. Shrewsbury is a town where history is around almost every corner. As we walk through the center, we'll discover medieval streets, historic buildings, traditional shops, busy squares, old market areas, and some beautiful views along the River Severn. As we walk, you'll also notice how many of the streets are slightly irregular. The layout of the town reflects its long history, with streets and lanes developing over many centuries rather than being designed as part of one modern plan. This is one of the reasons Shrewsbury is such an enjoyable town to explore without a strict itinerary. We're now approaching one of the central areas of Shrewsbury. This is where you'll really begin to feel the energy of the town center. People are coming and going, shoppers are visiting local businesses, and there are plenty of places to stop for a coffee, something to eat, or simply watch the world go by. As we continue our walk, keep an eye out for some of the smaller passages and hidden routes that connect different parts of the town. Shrewsbury is famous for these little lanes and passages. This is one of my favorite things about walking tours. You don't always need to visit a major attraction to discover something interesting. Sometimes, the most memorable moments are found in the smallest details. A doorway, an old sign, a timber-framed building, a narrow passage, or a view that suddenly opens up between two buildings. So, as we continue, take your time and look around. There's plenty to discover. As we move through this part of the town center, we're surrounded by a mixture of historic architecture and modern activity. Historically, market buildings were essential places of trade and social activity. Today, these spaces continue to attract people, although the way we use them has changed. The surrounding streets are also worth exploring. Look closely at the buildings and you'll notice different architectural styles layered together. The old market hall area is particularly interesting because it reflects the changing role of the town center. One of the most enjoyable things about Shrewsbury is the way its medieval character survives alongside modern life. You can be walking past a modern shop one moment and then turn a corner and find yourself looking at a building that has stood here for hundreds of years. And that brings us to the end of our walking tour of Shrewsbury Town Centre. Shrewsbury is a town with a remarkable history and a character all of its own. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, shopping, food, photography, or simply enjoying a relaxing walk, there's plenty here to discover. I hope you've enjoyed joining me on this journey through the town. If you enjoyed the walk, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments where you'd like us to walk next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next walking tour. Goodbye from Shrewsbury.